The expected uptake to get more Jamaicans into the formal banking system has fallen below expectation. Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison revealed this during last week's Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee meeting. She reminded members that the announcement was made by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark back in March during his budget presentation regarding the low Know Your Customer accounts.
That the government would provide $250 million towards providing $2,500 each to the first 100,000 bank customers who open low KYC accounts as of April 1, 2022.
Ms. Morrison says the ministry has already released payments to people who signed up.
In terms of the payments, the information has been provided to us and we have disbursed to the Bank of Jamaica, who will then pass this to the relevant banks. I can't definitively say that the money is in the bank accounts, but the government has disbursed.